Royal Netherlands Air Force F-16s guard and protect Benelux airspace for the last time. Royal Netherlands Air Force F-16s are performing their final mission to guard and protect Benelux airspace. Marking the end of an era for the iconic fighter jet. These aircraft have been on standby for decades, safeguarding the skies with speed and precision. In the Netherlands, the responsibility for this rapid response task lies with the Air Operations Control Station in Nieuw Milligen. Here, trained combat controllers monitor the airspace and act quickly when unidentified aircraft are detected. If an aircraft fails to make radio contact, the Quick Reaction Alert (QRA) is immediately launched to intercept. This high alert protocol ensures that threats are swiftly assessed and neutralized if necessary. F-35 fighter jets are now taking over the role. Stationed at the air bases in Leeuwarden and Focal, these modern aircraft represent the next generation of air defense for the Royal Netherlands Air Force. One of the primary responsibilities of the Air Force is to respond adequately to any airspace violations over Benelux, the region shared by Belgium, the Netherlands, and Luxembourg. This duty has long been fulfilled by the F-16I Belgium. QRA responsibilities are handled by the Control and Reporting Center, CRC, in Beauvais. The Belgian Air Force operates from Kleinbrogel and Florenz air bases, working closely with Dutch counterparts. Air defense across Europe operates on a closely coordinated basis. When unidentified aircraft enter the airspace of a neighboring country, cross-border cooperation ensures timely and effective response. This collaboration is vital to maintaining regional security. It allows air forces to act quickly and accurately. Regardless of where a potential threat originates or is detected. The Netherlands initially acquired a total of 213 F-16A divided by B fighter jets, becoming one of the 4 European participating air forces in the F-16 program. The country also joined a select group of nations that built the aircraft domestically. Over time, defense restructuring and force reductions reduced the operational fleet to 68 aircraft. Every one of these remaining jets was upgraded to the Mid-Life Update (MLU) standard, extending their service life and capabilities. The MLU program modernized the avionics and weapon systems of the F-16, ensuring that the aircraft remained effective in modern combat scenarios. By 2003, all operational Dutch F-16s had completed the upgrade. Some of the surplus F-16s were sold to allied nations, including Jordan and Chile. This allowed other countries to enhance their air capabilities while providing a new role for the older jets. A major development in the program was the establishment of a multinational operational test and evaluation center for the MLU at Leeuwarden Air Base in 1997. This center played a central role in validating the upgrades. Due to budget constraints and ongoing defense cuts in the early 1990s, the number of Dutch F-16 slated for MLU was reduced from 170 to 138. This decision reflected a broader shift in defense priorities across Europe. As the F-16s carry out their final QRA mission, it is a symbolic farewell to a fighter that has served with distinction. The Royal Netherlands Air Force now moves forward with new aircraft, but the legacy of the F-16 will endure.